Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about Snapchat quick ad. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, tap on this icon top right. As you see here, quick ad appears. So Snapchat algorithm suggests some friends by taking into account the mutual friends on Snapchat, contacts, also numbers you've saved. So if you have mutual friends of one of the accounts, Snapchat algorithm will suggest him to you to add it as a friend. As if someone of your contacts create an account on Snapchat, he will also be suggested because his phone number is saved on your phone. So to add any person, simply tap on add and like that, the account added quickly. That's why they call it quick add. And I just want to mention that if you don't want to show your account on quick add lists, the app allows you to do it simply by go back, then tap on your profile picture top left, then choose settings, scroll down till you get to privacy control, and tap on see me in quick add. Now remove the selection, and like that, your name won't be suggested in quick add lists. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.